guys this morning. I wanted to come to you live and unpack our Mother's Day boxes. You guys are just jamming on these. We only have like 13 left. So, okay, so this is our Mother's Day moisture box. What does it have in it? It has our amazing new sugar scrub. Everyone says it's good. I'm so happy. And then what else? We have the meringue oil, almond oil, lip butter, the body butter, and a bath bomb. So today I'm just gonna show those things, okay? So first, and I didn't put, after my shower this morning, I didn't put on any type of anything. So, because I wanted to be raw so that you guys can get a gist of all of it. Okay, so we'll start with what my daily routine is, right? So the meringue oil, that's what I start with. So Nigel, tell me about the meringue oil.
Well, it's made from the moringa seeds, and the moringa seeds, well, the moringa plant in itself has 99.9% minerals of, it has 99.9% of all the minerals that the body needs, the human body needs. However, every part of the plant can be used for medicinal purpose. The seeds are very high in vitamin C, and when you apply vitamin C to the skin, it actually helps to boost our skin collagen. So it makes the skin appear younger and tighter, and it helps to get rid of like fine lines and wrinkles and stuff like that. Okay.
You had me at hello, but you had me at moisture. So to get rid of the fine lines, I have to act up. Fine lines. And if you see, I just put a little dot on. If you don't know me, I'm 54 years young. And here we go. So that's the first thing I do, okay? So that's the first thing I do. Second thing is Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. Yes, this is our flagship product. This is made from the Jamaican almonds. You want to grab me an almond? Yeah. So with the almond oil, this is our, like I said, this is our flagship product. So this is what I do every day. So I'm not saying anybody else has to do it, but this is what I do. I start off taking a drop. It's high in magnesium, zinc, all of that other good stuff. So I've been doing this ever since, vitamin K, I've been doing this ever since Nigel started making it. So this is the Jamaican almond.
That's the kernel.
This is the kernel. So it's made from this. These are cold pressed. It takes 500 of those to make 1 ounce of the oil. So you want to crack it. You want to squeeze it. And then I'm going to put some on. So the first thing I do is I take a little drop internally.
Put it on me.
Oh, yeah. Gladly. Okay, so put it on him. Oh, you're ashy.
Very. That's why I said put it on me. Then I'll squeeze the almond. Can you see?
I think I can see. Yeah, yeah.
And then you can see the oil come out of it there. Yep. So that's basically what we do.
Yeah. So in this bottle is 500 of those squeezed almonds. So you can see, just love it for the skin. Okay, what's next in the Mother's Day moisture box? So first we got the meringue oil. Half ounce. This is going to last about 3 months. It lasts me about 3 months. You saw I just used a little bit underneath the eyes here, and that's it. The almond oil, it just depends on how you use it. You can use this on your face, hair, body. You can use it intimately. You can use it any way that you want. The meringue oil, you want to just stick to your face and anywhere that you might have, here too. I got to start putting it here, Oh yeah, lady used it for her bum, for cellulite. So those are the 2 oils that are in there. Then next we have the body butter. Yes. So today I'm gonna I'm gonna show you the lime body butter. I wish you could smell it. So we have 4 flavors. There's lime, lavender, mango, and coconut. So this one is lime. Why did we make those flavors? Because we like them. So I love lime. Lime reminds me of Jamaica. When I was there, they didn't have lemons, right? Lemons don't grow like frequently, but lime do. So
lime everywhere.
Lime everywhere. So it reminded me of Jamaica. When I smelled it, I was like, oh yes, I have to make lime.
Most time when we call the lime lemon too. I would say, oh, we're making some lemonade, but it's
actually lime. Okay. So this right here is 100% vegan. I take pride in the fact that even the preservatives, even the everything, the emulsifier, everything that's in here is 100% vegan. So I'm gonna show you this, and all I need is just like a little bit. Let me put it on you because you're pretty ashy. So then here, and you can see. And it goes on really nice and smooth. It's not greasy, so it gives you like a nice little. It smells so good. So that's the body butter, and your box will include a.
Oh, that feels soft.
Yeah, a small can of that. It's a 1 ounce can. So again, we have them in all 4 flavors. So the boxes are going to come in all 4 flavors too. So let me see what's going on here. Okay, Aaron, impressive with the oil coming out of the almond. It's amazing. It's amazing, Rochelle. He actually came to the door the first time that he kind of discovered. He came to the door with the almond like that. And I was like, oh my God, this is almond oil. And he was like,
didn't know
really?
Almond oil exists.
Yeah, he didn't even.
It was just like coconut oil and palm oil and stuff like that. Peanut. I didn't know about almond oil.
So then together, we made it happen.
Yep.
So, okay, so we did the body butter. And then what's next is the sugar scrub. Yes. Butter. Okay, and then the lip butter.
I will do the lip butter next.
You would do the lip butter next? Okay, so I have a fresh one here because I can't find mine. So
I'll have it when you're finished with it.
Oh, you're going to take it? Okay. So this is our vegan lip butter. Again, no animal parts, no nothing. There is actually, to replace the beeswax, because most lip balms have beeswax in them. So to replace the beeswax, we used sunflower wax. And of course, Nigel's Jamaican almond oil is in this too. So here we go.
It's a little solid at first.
It's a little solid, yeah. Okay.
Break the surface.
Okay, so you gotta break the surface. Okay, so then here, I don't use this often, but Nigel does. Okay, so that little leftover piece, I'm gonna rub in my cuticles. Here you go. And it has a little hint of mint. Shout out to my friend Lonnie Pompley. She said, why don't I make vanilla? Like, she gave me some other flavor ideas, and I think today I might make some vanilla. So that's the lip balm, and I think it's pretty good. Good?
Oh, tasty.
Tasty, yeah. Okay, so there's the lip balm. So your Mother's Day moisture box will include that. And remember that little piece that was kind of hanging off? Here's that little piece right here. You don't want to waste any of it. And then I rub that right into my cuticles. And with us not going and getting our nails done these days, let's take this time to do some nail care, right? Give our nails a break. Give them some love. Get all the chemicals and stuff off of them.
Keep them natural.
Keep them natural. He doesn't like when I polish my nails. He likes them natural.
They're beautiful natural. Why are you polishing them?
Because I like it. Okay, so, all right.
You need to do it for me, though.
What's next? The sugar scrub. So I'm going to show you the sugar scrub. I'm going to eat an almond here. So the sugar scrub is really nice, too. And this is one of my little samples. Hey, Larry! Oh, Larry! I did yoga with Larry and his family and the grill, a tree house. Oh, Rochelle said we make a great couple team. Oh, my hands
you,
are really
Rochelle.
oily. Can you open this for me?
Because
So-
mine are dry.
Our sugar scrub, yeah.
We're never dry.
Our sugar scrub, you're going to get one of those in the box. That's a 4 ounce, so that's a bigger box. I mean, a bigger can. And, ooh,
Delicious.
this one didn't even have a label on it, but I know. It's mango. Oh, I wrote it on there, but, wow. Oh, makes me feel like I'm in the mango bush in
Providence.
in Providence. Yes. Oh. Remember we went there?
Yep.
It was so much fun. Okay, so here's the sugar scrub. All right, again, all vegan. Hey, Tracy, miss you too. All vegan, no animal parts, anything, preservatives, all of that, all vegan, okay? So here we go. And just take a little bit out.
You know, I mean to cut you, but I must say what I love about this sugar scrub is like when I'm working outside and you know, I'm in the dirt and getting my hands.
Come, let me wash your
dirty,
hands.
No, my hands are clean right
But
now.
I'm gonna wash them anyway with
Okay.
this. This isn't meant to replace any soap or
Yeah.
anything. This
What
is
it
just
does-
to give your hands moisture. So go ahead.
And
What are
it
you saying?
actually, for me, with the with my hands being dirty, which they're not dirty right now, they're pretty much clean right now comparing to how they could have looked if I was outside. But what it does, because like you see in the print of your hand down in the groove, down in these where the print are, the dirt will get trapped in there sometimes. So having the grains on my hand, the sugar grain, and rubbing it with it, it feels like when you're at the beach and you're sitting there and you get that fine sand and you're rubbing your foot. That's how it feels. So it really helps to what do you call it? There's that word.
Exfoliate.
Exfoliate the stuff off of my hand. It feels really good, and whenever I finish washing with it, it feels like really
Your hands are smooth.
soft and smooth, and I can see that they're clean because it gets all the little stuff out of
Out of the
grooves,
particles.
and even in under my nails, which I don't keep very tall nails, I'll put some under there and rub it, and it gets out the dirt from under there. So it feels really good. I like it. That's what I love the most about your sugar scrub.
Thank you,
Actually,
honey.
I've never used sugar scrub before until you started making it.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's true. I put it in your bathroom.
I
You
see.
already know.
Yeah.
You've been using it.
Yes, I have.
So now look at his hands. Look at how, wow. You're not ashy no more, babe.
Nope.
So if your hands have been
I
dry
need to
from,
start doing this more often, babe.
okay, you want me to do this every day, babe?
Yeah, babe.
No problem, babe. Okay. All right. So, very nice. Very, very nice. Here, babes.
Oh, you stole my robe.
No, this is my roll. Okay, so she placed an order last night. Oh, Laverne, you did place an order last night. So we're going to, as soon as we finish this video, your order's going out. Yay! Because the post lady, she gets here at around 12. Between 12 and 1, but we always have all the orders out by 12 in case she comes early. Okay, so, all right, let's go over the box. What's all in the box? We have sugar scrub. I need that back because I'm going to do the bath bomb. But you can empty it, yeah. We have the lavender sugar scrub. We have the lip balm. We have the lavender body butter. We have the meringue oil and the Jamaican almond oil and a bath bomb. So that's all in the moisture, the Mother's Day moisture box. So this one happens to be a lavender one. I wonder whose this is. This happens to be a lavender one, but we do have it in all 4 flavors. We have it in mango, coconut, lime, and I need a bath bomb. Okay, so here we go.
Use the lavender.
Heavenly. Okay, so here's our bath bombs. Again, our bath bombs are vegan. There's no perfumes or dyes. We hand make them ourselves. Here's our machine right here. Okay, there's the machine. I hand make them. Boom, boom, by hand. So in the Mother's Day moisture box, you're also going to get a bath bomb. So let's check out the bath bomb, see how it goes. Chantel, we're glad to see you too. Yes, make an order. www.nigelsjamaicanalmondworld.com. We appreciate and love all the support. We know that this is like, anyway, I don't even want to get going. I had to like readjust myself this morning, just thinking about everything. Anyway, okay, so we appreciate your orders. We appreciate your love during this time. Appreciate love. And we're grateful that we're able to provide products that will help you. Yeah. So that's really a blessing.
We've been in the house for what, 52 days now? 52
days, baby. Okay, so here's the bath bomb. You guys ready? I need somebody to say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
That's tough.
Okay. So
it floats.
It's loaded with Nigel's Jamaican almond oil.
Look at it to the side. Look at it to the side.
Lift it up. Oh.
That's cool.
Nice. Nice. So what's the bath bomb going to do for you? It's going to moisturize your skin. A lot of people say, and we say too, that when we get out of the tub, we don't need any extra lotions or anything or oil or anything, because the bath bomb literally is going to just like wrap its arms around you and moisturize you. They're gentle enough that even our grandchildren that are as young as 1 year old uses these. So they're very gentle. They're great for kids with eczema. They're great to keep the kids in the bathtub.
To relax them.
Especially the lavender. Yep. Take a nap. So yeah, so that's what all is in the box. We do have, you want to see the meringue oil. So we do have a limited amount of the boxes. So please visit our site, nigelsjamaicanalmondworld.com. The site is in the link. I don't have a link there. Okay, I'm going to do that. So here's the meringue oil, Chantel. She wanted to see the meringue oil again. The meringue oil is made from the meringue seed. And I'll go ahead and put some on again. I can never, ever have too much of it. So this is all I use. That much. Okay. So then I put it underneath my eye. Moringa is very high in vitamin C. The vitamin C, it boosts the skin's collagen. So at 54, I think my skin's looking pretty fine from this meringue. So whatever is left over on your hand, you want to rub it into your hands, because
even into your cuticles too, because it does help with dry prickly nails.
Oh yeah, I remember you said that just the other day. So that is what I have been doing on my toenails too. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've been rubbing it in my nails. I forgot to mention that earlier. Mm-hmm. So okay, so Nigel's gonna show the actual meringue
seeds. These are the actual seeds that it's made from. These have been, cleaned up a little bit, but when they come out the pod, this is how they look. They have those little frail thing on the side of them, and then inside this is the kernel, and the kernel is actually what the oil comes out of. I don't know if I'll be able to squeeze it like I did the almonds, but let's try. Maybe not. Oh, hold on. Yeah, because these seeds are more solid than the almond. There's way less oil come out of it than what come out of the almond. But yep, there's a little bit there.
So it takes a lot of seeds to make that one bottle. Yeah. So Chantel wants to know what's in the box. You're going to get a sugar scrub, a lip butter, a body butter, a meringue oil, almond oil, and a
Bath bomb.
bath bomb. So actually it's a half ounce of almond oil that you'll get, but this is a 1 ounce. So you're gonna get a half ounce of almond oil, half ounce meringue oil, 4 ounce of sugar scrub, half ounce of lip butter, a 1 ounce of body butter, and a bath bomb. So this is our Mother's Day box. We also have our moisture box that doesn't have the meringue oil. So this one is, if we sold it all separately, we figured it would be like about $85. So we have this box for $65. And then, yes, Chantel, she's asking right now. So this box is $65. And the regular moisture box is $40. So the difference is you're going to get a meringue oil with this. And the meringue oil is going to last you about 3 months.
About 90 days.
Yeah, about 90 days.
If you use it every day.
Yeah, if you use it every day. If you don't, then it's going to last you longer. But I use mine every day. Every day in the morning, every day in the evening. So that's what's in the box. We're so excited to be able to offer this right now. Our stock is limited. Our supply chain is
in Jamaica.
So
the world is shut down now. So
yeah. So we don't know.
We haven't been getting any new supply of almond or anything.
I'm gonna turn it around to you.
Yeah. Okay. We haven't been getting any new supply of almond or anything. So we've just been working with what we have here that we've been, stocking up. So I guess when that's finished, or as we say in Jamaica, we'll see anywhere at Margaret pop off, or we'll see how it goes.
Say it again.
Anywhere at Margaret pop off.
Anywhere Margaret pop off.
Anywhere it get Margaret pop off. Anywhere it gets thin, that's where it breaks.
Oh.
So,
yikes.
we'll see.
Okay.
Hopefully, all this will pass before we run out.
Hopefully.
Yeah,
Hopefully.
we do have a lot though. Yeah, so.
Yeah.
Hey, Lottie. Well, go on, man.
We had a lot made for the shows. So
Yeah,
Lottie,
man.
that.
Yeah, man.
And then look, that's Popeye.
Hey, Wagwan. Hey, Wagwan, brother. There, man,
Yes.
Holding it down. Yep.
Yep. So thank you for being with us.
Yeah,
Thank you
man.
for always supporting us over all these years. And we're all going to get through this. This is just, it's a message from Mother Earth, message from God, it's a message. It's
Yes,
a
it
message.
is.
We just got to pay attention and, do what we have to do.
Absolutely.
Right? So for now, we'll be right here. And if you guys have any questions about our products, if you have any questions about how to use the products or anything, just give us a holler. We've been calling everybody too. Oh, yes, we want to give a shout out to everybody we've been calling. If you want to get a call from us, hey, send us your number. We'll call you.
Yeah, man.
We've been calling all of our customers, and we just really want to thank everybody for answering the phone, answering our calls. So we really appreciate that.
Appreciate love, babe. Appreciate love.
Appreciate love.
We don't appreciate hate.
Right, we appreciate love.
Keep the love flowing, Yeah.
Yes.
It's an energy, so keep it going.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
She's right.
All right, guys, we love you.
One love.
Stay strong, stay safe, and we'll see you next time. All right.
All right. Blessings.
Bye-bye.
Love.